Beyond its breathtaking landscape, the vast Sunan grassland in northwestern China serves as a vital ecological area that helps prevent desertification and preserve environmental balance. Here's my report from Sunan. Sa unang tingin ay tila isang payapang tanawin lamang ang Sunan grassland dito sa China. Pero ayon sa mga lokal na otoridad, mahalaga ang papel ng malawak na damuhang ito sa pangangalaga ng kapaligiran at sa kabuhayan ng mga komunidad na nakatira rito. Nestled within the Sunan-Uyghur Autonomous County in Gansu Province, the Sunan grassland is known for its vast green grasslands surrounding mountain ranges and the traditional way of life of communities that depend on livestock herding. Aside from being a popular tourist destination, the grassland also serves as a natural barrier against soil erosion and the expansion of deserts. It also plays a vital role in preserving biodiversity and regulating the region's climate. According to local officials, conservation efforts continue through sustainable grazing practices, ecological restoration, and the active participation of local communities. Upon arriving in the area, visitors are welcomed by the small Uyghur community. The Uyghur are one of the more than 50 official recognized ethnic groups in China. Their population is relatively small. According to local residents, there are only around 10,000 members of the Uyghur ethnic minority. Their small population has also contributed to preserving the area's natural beauty.
There are a few population of Uyghur people in Sunan, only 10,000 people of Uyghur minority groups.
Descendants of ancient nomadic tribes, the Uyghur have lived at the foot of the Kilian Mountains for centuries. Their primary livelihoods include raising horses, sheep, and yaks, herding livestock, and producing traditional clothing and handicrafts. Their way of life demonstrates that it is possible to protect the environment while sustaining the livelihoods of local communities. It also serves as a valuable example for the Philippines, particularly in protecting grasslands, mountain ecosystems, and other protected areas through the responsible use of natural resources and the active participation of local communities. Habang nakikita natin sa likuran ko ang malawak na kapatagan ng Sunan grassland, ipinapakita lamang nito na posibleng magkasabay ang pag-unlad ng turismo at pangangalaga sa kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng responsableng pamamahala na papanatili ang kalikasan para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. One of the most distinctive features of the Uyghur people is their colorful traditional clothing. Their songs and dances have also been passed down from one generation to the next. The Uyghur have two traditional languages. However, over time, many of them have also adopted Mandarin Chinese in their daily lives.
但是呢，我们有非常独特的，就是裕固族，它是有两种语族的语言，一种是阿尔泰语蒙古语族，一种是阿尔泰语土着语族。我们现在穿的这个服装有平底的，有尖底的。那么平底
For the Uyghur people, the grassland is more than just a source of livelihood. It is also an essential part of their culture and identity. Their story highlights the importance of protecting the environment while preserving the culture and heritage of indigenous communities. This also offers an important lesson for the Philippines, where many indigenous peoples likewise depends on forests, mountains, and other natural resources as part of their livelihood and cultural identity. Sa gitna ng malawak na tanawin, ipinapakita ng Sunan grassland na ang tunay na halaga ng isang lugar ay hindi lamang nasusukat sa ganda nito, kundi ang kakayahang mapanatili ang balanse ng kapaligiran at suportahan ang mga komunidad. Mula dito sa Kangle, Sunan grassland, China, para sa Diyos sa Pilipinas kung mahal, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.